Thursday the 27th of February. Just woke up. Claire's on Facebook.
Morning.
Yeah, so getting up shortly. We've got a busy day with a big job on today. Bonbon is there. Say hello, Bonbon. Say hello, Bonbon.
Would you just tell people why I look so rough?
Claire looks so rough because she looks rough every morning. I mean, that's what I have to wake up to. Growl.
But I have to wake up to David Bellamy look-alike.
So anyway, we're gonna get up, take Bonbon for a yayas. Look at her head when I say yayas. Yayas? Bonbon go yayas? Yeah? Go yayas. Bonbon go yayas. Yeah. Shall we go? Shall we go yayas? So yeah. So yeah, then get ready and head off to our job of cleaning a big house today, getting it prepared for the owners arriving at the weekend. So yeah, carry on watching me through the day. Claire actually felt a bit better, so she actually got up and took Bonbon out, gave me a little bit of a lay-in. We headed round to the doctor's surgery. We were registering because we've moved from Altea to Benidorm, so we've actually had to register with new doctor. So from there, we then went to a 5-bedroom villa to actually clean and prepare, ready for clients arriving tomorrow. So once we finished there, we hadn't had any food, any breakfast, any lunch, anything. So we decided to go to the Drop-In in Benidorm. It's a lovely little bar cafe. And Claire had liver and onion, but she had just vegetables. She didn't have any potatoes or anything like that. I actually had a brunch, which was 2 eggs, 2 bacon, 1 sausage and beans. I'll actually put the picture up here and here of both of our lunches that we've had today. So we haven't had any breakfast. I want to try to get more fruit down me. So what I'm actually going to do is going to go to MediaMarkt here in Spain and actually pick up a new blender and start blending a lot of fruit and bits and pieces, because I can't really eat fruit. I don't like the texture of it. The only thing I can eat is apples and bananas, and bananas on this keto style diet that we're having, I can't really have because of the potassium. So yeah, so I'm going to try to have fruit with like some berries and things like that, put them into smoothies and have that, just to really sort of like boost the what I'm actually having over the course of the day. I'll probably do some exercises tonight. My biceps are still really sore from the bench pressing and the bicep curls that I have been doing over the last few days. I haven't done much walking today, other than obviously all the walking that we've done around the villa and that when we were cleaning it. Claire's just come home now, so she's just done the tumble drying of some laundry that we had. Rather than doing it at home and having our tumble dryer on for like 4 hours, we take it round to the laundrette and have it done there. So I don't know if you know, but I don't eat fruit. I'll blend it and have it in a smoothie, not a problem at all, but I just won't eat it as it is. I just don't like the texture. So I have had 1 bit of strawberry, and Claire says I'm a baby because how I ate it, I was like just trying to make sure that it was gone, but she has like
the tiniest bit that's got the tiniest bit of cream on it.
I like cream, that's not a problem. Cream's not a problem. It's actually the strawberry. So, yeah, okay. Can you put it on the fork for me?
Oh my God. Get it in your car.
I just don't like the seedy crunchiness of it. But, to be quite honest, being on the low carb or keto or whatever you want to call it, I am trying new bits of food. So you never know. I might actually start eating strawberries just as they are, because they are gorgeously looking. And when I see people dipping them and eating them and just enjoying them, I do think, I could do that. And then I go, no, I can't. So yeah, here's to strawberry eating. So we've decided to buy a new blender and a new coffee machine because our one, the glass has broke. So all that in there is ours. Perfect. So new coffee machine purchased today and a new blender, cool little blender. So that's going to be crushes ice as well, so ideal for smoothies and things. If we bought 4 boxes of coffee, we actually got the actual coffee machine for €29 instead of €89, and the coffees were $4.89 a pack, so that was really good. Managed to save quite a bit there. So we're actually going to put it in place here with the milk frother that we have, and yeah, perfect. So this morning I'm just having 1 egg with some chopped red chilies. Mix that in this little pot, and when I click that pot lid back on, somehow, like that, actually says depending on how you want your egg, it says runny 40 seconds, quite well done 50, and 110 if you want it like hard. So let's see what it looks like. So how does it look? So looks absolutely fine. Add a bit of salt and pepper to it, and then that's my breakfast for this morning before we head out and do a full day's clean on 2 properties. So heading now to a client's in Calpe. I've already dropped Claire off in Altea Hills, and just going through the Mascarat Mountains now, and heading up to Calpe to clean and prepare a apartment for clients arriving on Sunday. So for dinner today, Claire made a vegetable curry last night, so that's just warming up, and this is the end result. Doesn't that look spanking?
Right, I'm just going to take one.
We are having a little snack. Claire is having some strawberries and some double Elmley cream.
Which bizarrely, even though I'm on a diet, oh, hello, I'm on a doing keto, so I'm allowed
Can I have some of that?
Full fat.
And then I'm actually having a mixed smoothie with spinach, mixed berries, mango juicy thing,
Don't overload it, right?
and a bit of double Elmley cream. Yum.
Pickled onions, I think.
And this is it. Chin chin. Lush. So nice, that. Yummy. So, boys and girls, it is the moment of truth. My weigh-in. I've been on this diet since, well, a week, and I was 96.2. $92.8, baby. So thanks for taking the time to watch the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.